Ever wondered why naming conventions are important in Java? Well, they're key to improving the readability of your code, making it easier for you and others to understand. They also enhance maintainability, helping you keep your code clean and efficient. Plus, they reduce confusion, especially in larger projects where multiple developers are involved. Although these conventions aren't enforced rules, they're widely accepted as best practices in the industry. Understanding and using Java naming conventions can drastically improve your coding efficiency. Now you might ask, what are these Java naming conventions? Well, they're pretty straightforward and follow a logical, intuitive pattern. Let's break it down. In the world of Java, classes typically represent nouns, things, or objects. They're given names that start with an uppercase letter. For example, employee or company. Interfaces, on the other hand, are usually adjectives and also begin with an uppercase letter. Think runnable or serializable. Then we have methods, the action takers. They are verbs and start with a lowercase letter. For instance, calculate salary or display details. Variables too start with a lowercase letter and should have meaningful names that effectively communicate their purpose. For example, employee age or company revenue. Finally, let's talk constants. These are typically written in uppercase and use an underscore to separate words. Consider max_speed or min_height. So these are the widely accepted and practiced naming conventions in Java. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about Java naming conventions. Naming conventions are crucial for enhancing code readability and maintainability. For classes and interfaces, we use upper camel case. Methods and variables follow the lower camel case convention. Constants, on the other hand, are written in all underscore caps with underscores separating the words. These conventions streamline your code, making it easier for others to understand and work with. Remember, a good naming convention is the first step towards writing clean, professional Java.